What is up guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix your iPhone not charging. So if you have this problem, like whenever you plug your phone, you notice that the iPhone is not charging. That's probably because the cable is not working. It's not there is nothing wrong with your phone, but probably that's because of the cable. So what you want to do guys to fix this is very easy guys, what I do most of the time, because I always have this problem. So just make sure that it's the cable, like make sure you plug the cable, and then make sure you move the cable like this, okay, and see if you can see that it's charging. Sometimes it's charging, sometimes it doesn't work. If that's the case, that's probably because of the cable. Like you have to move it like this and see if there is not like no sign of charging, then that's probably because the cable is dirt, like it has some dirt here. I don't know if this camera can show you the dirt of this cable. So what you want to do guys, you want to take some baking soda, I don't know its name, just from your home, just put it here, and then take the yeah, your the tooth brushing or teeth brushing, and then start cleaning the cable here. As you can see, start cleaning it, and then start cleaning it for like 30 seconds. Now see if it works. If it doesn't work, just make sure you don't scratch the plastic. Keep rubbing it like this, using, because probably you have a lot of dirt there. So like tooth brushing will not do the trick. If it doesn't, just try this. Keep rubbing this small, don't know their name. So now see, do it on the back.